Alright guys, we came back again. All of that because of this charger. It's fast charger. It has many slots, which is one of them is 30 watt charging, and the other one, which is 18, one is 15, and the other one is 15. That's very strong charger. And now I have 50, I don't know if you see this, it is 85 in this camera here, and I have 55 battery in this screen dock thing, you know. So I'm gonna keep charging it because it needs also 50%, and I'm gonna keep recording because now I have 85% in this camera. Let's proceed delivering.
On Bottle Place. Then in 300 feet keep left onto Hayes Park.
Alright, we back in business. Look at this weird house and weird road.
In 500 feet turn right onto Hayes Park.
Oh my god, that's very weird road. Very weird neighborhood.
Turn right onto Hayes Park. Then in 200 feet arrive at the destination on your right. In 200 feet park on Hayes Park and destination is on the right.
Very weird.
On Hayes Park and destination is on the right.
Very weird neighborhood. Alright, we have arrived. It's on the left here. Alright, I'm gonna reverse here. Or I don't know, where should I reverse? But I have to be careful because it's very tight, and I don't want to hit anyone's cars, or I don't want to hit my car, anyone's car. That's it. I'm parking exactly in front of the house that I have to deliver this envelope to, which is 64. I don't know, where is that envelope? 64. It is there. Look. No, that's not the one that I want. It is again the wrong one. It should be an 64. It is this one. And I'm gonna throw these to the front. So I have better access there. Which is house number 26, this 25. Very old house. It is called Stone House. In this case, we're gonna keep it over here. And then we take a picture for it like this. And then we knock on the door. And that's it. We back on business, baby. Look at this classic car. What a nice car. Oh, look at this house. Oh, what amazing one.
Navigation started. U-turn on Hayes Park. Then in 200 feet turn left to stay on Hayes Park.
I need to be careful because I have a column here. Yep. Safe to say that we are in business, baby. Look.
Turn left onto Hayes Park. Then in 300 feet arrive at the destination on your left.
I have to go this way.
In 300 feet park on Hayes Park and destination is on the left.
What is that thing in the floor? Look at that Mercedes. There is something on the floor. I don't want to hurt my car, so I'm gonna clear it. Look at that Mercedes. Slow down, please. Please slow down. I wish if I have Mercedes. But I'm so satisfied with the car that I have now.
Park on Hayes Park and destination is on the left.
What a tight road. It is here, this house. I have to give away. It's an envelope which is 13. Number 13, this one. It says be aware of a dog at this stop. So these people, they have a dog. So one of the good things about this application here, it tells you if there is a dog in the house. So you need to be careful. Oh, look at this house. It is house number 3. Then take a picture. That's it. Give them a bit knock. And that's it. What a weird neighborhood.
Navigation started. Continue west on Hayes Park. Then in 100 feet park on Hayes Park and destination is on the left.
This one here. Oh my god. 89 or 86? That's 89, yeah. Where are you? 89. Where are you? Yeah, here it is. That's the thing I like about 2-hour delivery. 2.5 hour delivery, which is the one that I have right now. So most of the deliveries are gonna be so close to each other. And look at this nice house. This must be a very rich family house. Says please keep it closed because of the dog. And I need to reach this area. Nice houses. That must be 200,000 pounds house. And look at that one. Oh my god. Oh my god. And look at that one. Yeah. Rich people, rich people.
Navigation started. New west on Hayes Park. Then in 100 feet turn left onto Lurgan Road. A26.
I need to have a snack. I always buy this one. It has 20 small bags like this one. And it's very tasty, very nice. And I don't know if you see previously, in the back of my car I have lots of juice like this, which is not Pepsi or Coca-Cola or nothing. It's Tango. It's very nice company. It has different flavors. This one is strawberry flavor, which is smash, it says, but there is no pieces inside. There is no strawberry inside, but it is very nice drink. When I'm delivering, I always have snack like this, or maybe different type of snack. And see, it is potato. It is cheese and onion. Very nice. Goodbye, rich people neighborhood. Oopsie. Alhamdulillah. Imagine she is, oh my god, she is dragging a child. And I didn't see that. Alhamdulillah. I felt so afraid. That's why in tight roads you need to deliver so slowly.